Makeup can feel overwhelming when you are a beginner. With countless products, techniques, and trends flooding social media, it is easy to believe that you need a huge collection to look presentable or beautiful. In reality, basic makeup is all about simplicity, confidence, and enhancing your natural features rather than hiding them. For beginners, understanding the purpose of makeup and learning to keep it minimal is the most important first step. Basic makeup is not about perfection, it is about creating a clean, fresh, and polished look that makes you feel comfortable in your own skin. At its core, basic makeup focuses on even-toned skin, softly defined features, and a natural glow. It does not require heavy contouring, bold eyeshadow palettes, or complicated techniques. Instead, it relies on a few essential products applied lightly and thoughtfully. For beginners, this approach is ideal because it is easier to learn, faster to apply, and far less intimidating. It also helps you build confidence as you gradually understand what works best for your face, skin type, and lifestyle. One of the most important ideas beginners need to understand is that makeup starts with skincare. No matter how good your makeup products are, they will never look their best on poorly prepared skin. Clean, moisturized skin creates a smooth base and allows makeup to sit naturally. Beginners often skip this step, thinking makeup alone will fix everything, but skincare is the foundation of any good makeup routine. Washing your face, applying a suitable moisturizer, and using sunscreen during the day can make a visible difference even before you apply any makeup product. Another key concept in basic makeup is knowing your skin type. Skin can be oily, dry, combination, or sensitive, and each type behaves differently under makeup. When beginners ignore their skin type, they often struggle with issues like patchy foundation, excess shine, or makeup that fades quickly. Understanding your skin helps you choose products that work with it rather than against it. For example, lightweight and hydrating products suit dry skin, while oil-controlling formulas are better for oily skin. This knowledge saves money and frustration in the long run. Basic makeup is also about learning the difference between everyday makeup and full glam looks. Social media often showcases heavy, dramatic makeup that looks stunning on camera but may feel uncomfortable or impractical for daily life. Beginners sometimes try to copy these looks and feel disappointed when the result does not suit them. Everyday basic makeup is softer and more wearable. It enhances your features subtly, making you look fresh and put together without appearing overdone. This distinction helps beginners set realistic expectations and enjoy the process instead of feeling pressured. Keeping makeup minimal has many benefits, especially for beginners. It reduces the risk of mistakes, saves time, and allows your natural beauty to shine through. Minimal makeup is also more forgiving, small errors are less noticeable, and blending becomes easier. When you start with fewer products, you learn how each one works and how it changes your appearance. This understanding builds a strong foundation, making it easier to experiment with more advanced techniques later if you choose to do so. A common mistake beginners make is buying too many products at once. Influencers and advertisements often promote large collections, making it seem necessary to own everything. In reality, too many products can be confusing and overwhelming. Beginners may end up using nothing properly because they do not know where to start. Focusing on only essential products helps you learn their purpose and application. Once you are comfortable, you can slowly add new items based on your needs rather than trends. Confidence plays a major role in how makeup looks and feels. Basic makeup should never feel like a mask. It should feel light, comfortable, and true to who you are. When beginners focus too much on hiding perceived flaws, they may apply too much product, which can have the opposite effect. Learning to accept your natural features and enhance them gently creates a more balanced and attractive look. Makeup should support your confidence, not replace it. Another important part of basic makeup is understanding that there is no single, right, way to do it. Faces are different, preferences vary, and what works for one person may not work for another. Beginners should give themselves permission to experiment and make mistakes. Every small mistake is part of the learning process. With time, practice, and patience, applying basic makeup becomes second nature. Ultimately, basic makeup for beginners is about building skills slowly, choosing simplicity over excess, and enjoying the journey. It teaches you how to care for your skin, understand your features, and express yourself subtly. By starting with a minimal and thoughtful approach, you create a strong foundation that allows you to grow confidently in your makeup journey. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you begin to see makeup as a helpful tool, one that enhances your natural beauty and supports your everyday life rather than complicating it. When it comes to creating a stunning makeup look, the most crucial step is always starting with a flawless base. No matter how bold or intricate your eye makeup might be, the overall impact depends heavily on the foundation you lay with your face makeup. For beginners, this can seem overwhelming, but with a few simple techniques, achieving a soft, elegant, and polished look is completely attainable. Makeup is not just about appearance, it's about boosting confidence and expressing your personal style. Learning the fundamentals of face makeup provides a solid base that allows you to explore more advanced techniques like smoky eyes, cut creases, or dramatic eyeliner later on. The first and perhaps most important step is skin preparation. Makeup looks its best on skin that is hydrated, nourished, and well-maintained. Begin with a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type. Foaming cleansers work beautifully for oily skin, while creamy or lotion-based cleansers are ideal for dry or sensitive skin. This step removes excess oils, dirt, and impurities that can cause makeup to appear uneven or patchy. After cleansing, applying a moisturizer is essential. Well-hydrated skin prevents foundation from settling into fine lines and helps all subsequent products adhere smoothly. Moisturizer acts like a primer for your makeup, ensuring that every layer applied afterward looks natural and flawless rather than cakey or heavy. Following hydration, the application of a primer is the next key step. Primer not only smooths the skin's surface but also minimizes the appearance of pores, controls excess shine, and significantly extends the longevity of your makeup. For beginners, this step might seem optional, but it truly creates a canvas that makes even basic makeup look professional. There are primers designed for various purposes: mattifying for oily skin, illuminating for dull skin, and hydrating for dry skin. Applying it in gentle, upward motions across the face ensures that it blends seamlessly without leaving streaks, while giving the skin a subtle glow that enhances the overall makeup look. Once your skin is properly prepped, it's time to move on to foundation, the core of any face makeup. Choosing the right foundation is crucial, and it's worth spending a bit of time testing shades to find the one that perfectly matches your skin tone. For beginners, a common mistake is selecting a shade that is too light or too dark, which creates a noticeable line around the jaw. Test the foundation along your jawline or the side of your face to ensure it blends seamlessly into your neck. Foundation comes in various formulas, including liquid, cream, powder, and stick, each offering different levels of coverage and finishes. Liquid foundations are versatile and blend easily. Cream foundations provide fuller coverage, powders offer a matte finish, and sticks are convenient for touch-ups. The tool you choose to apply your foundation, whether a brush, sponge, or your fingers, also affects the outcome. Beginners often find that a damp beauty sponge delivers a smooth, airbrushed look, while a brush offers precision and fingers allow warmth to help the product meld into the skin. The golden rule is to start with a thin layer in the center of your face and blend outward, building coverage only where needed. With foundation in place, concealer becomes the next essential product to perfect the skin. Concealer brightens dark circles, covers blemishes, and evens out redness or discoloration. Choosing a creamy, blendable formula slightly lighter than your foundation for the under-eye area helps achieve a brightened, awake appearance. Apply it in a gentle triangle shape under the eyes, which lifts and illuminates the face naturally. For blemishes or redness, dab concealer directly on the spot and gently pat to blend, avoiding harsh rubbing that can disturb your foundation. When applied carefully, concealer creates a polished finish that enhances your overall glow without looking heavy. No makeup look is complete without well-groomed eyebrows, as they frame the face and provide structure to your features. Start by brushing the brows upward using a spoolie to reveal their natural shape. Beginners should choose a brow pencil, powder, or gel that matches their natural hair color. Fill in sparse areas using short, feathery strokes to mimic natural hairs, avoiding harsh lines or overly dramatic shapes. Once filled, brush through again to blend the product evenly and soften any harsh edges. Natural-looking brows enhance your soft glam base while keeping the focus balanced across the face. Once your base is ready, subtle contouring and highlighting adds dimension to the face. Contouring uses a slightly darker shade to define features like the hollows of the cheeks, jawline, and sides of the nose. Highlighter, applied to the tops of the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, brow bone, and Cupid's bow, adds a radiant glow. For beginners, the key is subtlety. Over-applying either product can make the makeup appear unnatural. The goal is to enhance your natural bone structure without creating an overly sculpted appearance. Blending is critical here. Soft, seamless transitions ensure a polished, professional look. Completing the face makeup with lips is the final step. For a soft glam, beginner-friendly approach, nude or natural toned lips are ideal. A glossy nude lip enhances the overall elegance of the makeup without overpowering the face, maintaining balance with the soft, radiant skin. Before applying lip color, exfoliate gently and moisturize with a lip balm to ensure smooth application. Apply the nude lipstick or gloss evenly and lightly blot to avoid excessive shine or stickiness. The result is a harmonious, sophisticated finish that ties the entire face together. The combination of hydrated, radiant skin, perfectly defined brows, soft contouring, subtle highlighter, and nude lips creates a soft glam effect that is both beginner-friendly and elegant. This foundation not only looks polished but also serves as the perfect base for experimenting with more complex eye makeup techniques, whether it's blending eyeshadows, mastering eyeliner, or adding voluminous lashes. Soft glam strikes a balance. It enhances natural beauty without overwhelming the face, making it ideal for beginners who want professional results with minimal effort. Mastering basic face makeup is about more than just the products, it's about technique, patience, and practice. Each step, from cleansing and moisturizing to foundation, concealer, brows, contour, highlighter, and lips, plays a crucial role in creating a seamless look. For beginners, it's essential to remember that makeup is a journey. Repetition and experimentation build confidence and skill, turning initial uncertainty into creativity and ease. Once the basics are mastered, you can move confidently into more advanced areas like dramatic eyes, intricate eyeshadow designs, and bold lashes. A flawless face base is the cornerstone of all makeup artistry. It transforms your appearance subtly yet powerfully, giving your features definition and glow. By carefully prepping the skin, applying products strategically, and blending thoughtfully, even beginners can achieve a professional, elegant look that feels polished and modern. This soft glam foundation is not just makeup, it's the first step in expressing your style, enhancing your natural beauty, and preparing for the exciting world of advanced eye makeup. By investing time in learning the basics, you build the confidence and skill needed to experiment, innovate, and truly enjoy the art of makeup. Applying basic makeup does not have to be complicated or time-consuming, especially for beginners. Once you understand the essential products and their purpose, the next step is learning how to apply them in a simple, practical way. A basic step-by-step routine helps create a natural, fresh look while building confidence with each application. The key is to work slowly, use light layers, and focus on enhancing your features rather than transforming them completely. Every makeup routine should begin with clean, prepared skin. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and any leftover skincare from the night before. Clean skin allows makeup to sit smoothly and last longer. After cleansing, apply a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Moisturizer keeps the skin hydrated and prevents makeup from looking dry or patchy. During the daytime, sunscreen is essential, as it protects the skin and also helps maintain an even complexion over time. Giving skincare a few minutes to absorb before applying makeup makes a noticeable difference in the final result. Once the skin is prepared, you can move on to the base. If you are using a primer, apply a small amount and focus on areas where makeup tends to fade or where pores are more visible. If you skip primer, you can go directly to your base product. Apply BB cream, CC cream, or lightweight foundation using your fingers, a sponge, or a brush. Beginners often find fingers or a damp sponge easier to control. Start with a small amount and blend outward from the center of the face. This technique keeps the coverage natural and avoids heavy buildup around the edges. Concealer should be applied next, but only where it is truly needed. Dab a small amount under the eyes, around the nose, or on blemishes, then gently blend the edges. The goal is to brighten and correct without covering the entire face in product. Using too much concealer can make the skin look heavy, so less is always better for beginners. Taking time to blend properly ensures a smooth, seamless finish. To set the base and reduce shine, lightly apply powder to areas that tend to get oily, such as the forehead, nose, and chin. Use a fluffy brush or a soft puff and avoid pressing too much product into the skin. Beginners often make the mistake of overpowdering, which can make the face look flat. A light dusting is enough to lock the makeup in place while maintaining a natural glow. After the base is complete, adding color brings life back to the face. Apply blush to the apples of the cheeks using a soft brush or your fingers if you are using a cream formula. Smile slightly to find the natural placement, then blend the product upward toward the temples. Blush should look like a natural flush rather than a bold stripe. Building the color slowly helps avoid harsh lines and keeps the look soft. That if you choose to use highlighter, apply a very small amount to the high points of the face, such as the tops of the cheekbones. The goal is to catch the light subtly, not create a strong shine. Beginners should focus on blending the highlighter well so it melts into the skin and enhances the overall glow without drawing too much attention. Eyebrows play a big role in framing the face, even in a basic routine. Start by brushing the brows into place using a spoolie or clean mascara wand. Use an eyebrow pencil or brow gel to fill in sparse areas with light, hair-like strokes. Avoid drawing harsh lines or making the brows too dark. Soft, natural brows balance the face and complement minimal makeup beautifully. Eye makeup for beginners should remain simple and comfortable. Apply kajal or eyeliner close to the lash line to define the eyes subtly. Smudging the liner slightly can create a softer look that is forgiving for beginners. Finish the eyes with mascara, applying 1 or 2 coats to the upper lashes. Mascara instantly opens up the eyes and adds definition without requiring advanced skills. Allow the mascara to dry between coats to avoid clumping. Lips are the final step in a basic makeup routine. Start by making sure your lips are moisturized. Apply a nude lipstick, tinted lip balm, or lip gloss that suits your natural lip color. These shades are easy to wear and complement almost any look. Beginners should focus on comfortable formulas that do not require precise application. Gently blotting the lips after application can help the color last longer while keeping it natural. At the end of the day, removing makeup properly is just as important as applying it. Use a gentle makeup remover or micellar water to cleanse the face thoroughly. Follow up with your regular skincare routine to keep the skin healthy and balanced. Consistent makeup removal prevents breakouts and maintains the skin's natural glow. With practice, this simple routine becomes quick and effortless. Over time, beginners gain confidence, understand their preferences, and learn how to adjust the steps to suit different occasions. Basic makeup is not about following strict rules, it is about creating a routine that feels comfortable, enhances natural beauty, and fits easily into everyday life.